Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever faced the Medicare error code 9602 and wondered what it means? Well, it's more common than you might think, and it's something that can be fixed with a few simple steps. Firstly, let's understand what it is. The Medicare error code 9602 pops up when a claim is submitted to Medicare. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect details, wrong patient or claim details, or even issues with your Medicare account. Let's dive deeper into these reasons. Incorrect details can range from your Medicare card number, address, date of birth, and more. Wrong claim details might include the service date, provider number, service type, or associated claim type. Even incorrect referral details can cause this error. In some cases, you might have exceeded the maximum number of items that can be charged on a specific referral type. So how does one fix this error? Step 1 is to check if all the details you've entered are correct. This includes your Medicare card number, address, date of birth, service date, provider number, service type, associated claim type, and referral details. If you find any incorrect information, correct it and resubmit your claim. The second fix involves checking the doctor's specialty settings. To do this, navigate to Settings, then Users, and find the provider's name on the list. Tap the pencil icon next to the provider's name, choose Update and Configure, then User Settings. Under Personal Settings, go to the Doctor Specialty section and check whether the doctor's specialty is set to Specialist or GP. The third step is to review the items. Check to see if there are any specific limits on the items that can be claimed. If so, review the item numbers to confirm if you have reached any limits. And finally, if all else fails, contact Medicare. They can help you determine if there's a problem with your Medicare account that's causing this issue. It might also be useful to print the invoice, as this can be directly claimed at a Medicare branch. In summary, the Medicare error code 9602 can be caused by a variety of reasons, from incorrect details to issues with your Medicare account. But with a little patience and the right steps, it's an issue that can be resolved. Just remember to check your details, review the doctor's specialty settings, review the items, and when in doubt, don't hesitate to contact Medicare. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.